Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can lock multiple layers at once in Adobe Illustrator. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to that example artboard here and insert also a couple of shapes and another one. So we got these three objects. What you want to do is highlight them, mark them with your left mouse by drawing such a box around them. Now all three are selected. What you want to do next is navigate to the layers menu here on the right hand side, expand the given layer, and as you can see all are now selected. So what you want to do is click into this button here next to the layer with these sub layers. And if you click into it, all sub layers below will be locked. So now as you can see, I can't do anything with any of these, apply any edits. So if you'd like to unlock these, you would need to unlock the layer here first, and then you may, for instance, lock them one by one, but for example, leave that one available while the others stay locked. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.